Good morning. My name is Diana Lee Tuma, and I'm the current graduate assistant of the SCSU Center of Educational and Assistive Technology. Thank you for participating in our three-part educational tutorial workshop. In our first two videos, you learn how to sync the SCSU CEAT Google Drive account to a personal device, in addition to navigating the features of Orbit Note as an educational resource, and navigating the features of the Google Chrome Read and Write extension on a website. In today's video, we will learn how to navigate the features of MindMup, which can be accessed through your SCSU CEAT Google Drive account. So let's begin. First, you will see that I've successfully logged into my SCSU CEAT Google Drive. From here, I will navigate over to the top right corner where I can access all my apps, and I will scroll down until I find MindMup 2 for Google Drive. I will select it accordingly. From here, I'll be prompted to create a new map, in which case I will select Create a New Map. And you will see that a spreadsheet for MindMup will automatically be created and saved in the Google Drive of my SCSU CEAT account. I will begin by providing my document with a proper name. In this case, I will name it after my academic course. MindMup is a great educational tool that can assist students in organizing their thoughts for assignments, for studying content material, and so much more. It allows students to organize their thoughts in study materials by creating a graphic organizer, as we will be doing today. Every MindMup document will begin with a central node. From here, I will double-click to edit, and I will enter the subject matter in which I am studying. Then you will see that I will be prompted to turn on the autosave to make sure that my changes to my document are being saved. So I will turn on autosave. And autosave has now been turned on. From here, I will navigate over to the top left corner, and I'll insert a child node or select Insert Child Node. And I'll edit it. From here, I will select Insert Child Node one more time in order to organize it in terms of one area of the subject matter that I'm currently studying. From here, I'll select Vowels, and I will select Insert Sibling Node. You will see that here, by doing as such, vowels, A-E-I-O-U, and diphthongs are all connected. And the MindMup shows the connection between all three areas, related areas of the subject material. From here, I'll select phonetics. And in order to insert a node in regards to another area of my subject material, I will select Insert Child Node. And there it allows me the opportunity to insert another node in which I am beginning my review materials for another area of my subject content. From here, I'll select consonants, and I'll select Insert Child Node. And I'll enter another piece of information. In order to stay within the same area of my subject material, I'll select consonants one more time and select Insert Sibling Node, in which it will then prompt me to create another node that shows the organizational system between these related areas of my subject material and these related areas of my subject material. So this is what the beginnings of my MindMup looks like. Should you decide to delete a node, you'll select the node and press the garbage can. It is important to note that anytime you wish to delete a node or add a sibling node or a child node to it or to the one previous, you must first click on and select the node in which you would like to be added to. In order to start creating another MindMup, you will select Insert Root Node, and you can begin all over again. The MindMup system also provides students with the option to publish it, to save it, to share it with others, and also provides you with the option to save it as a file onto your personal device. We hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial on MindMup and find that this will be an educational resource to either yourself or to your students. Should you have any further questions or comments, please feel free to reach out to our office directly. Thank you.